Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video as we look into the bull flag that has resolved since the previous video where we were talking about Bitcoin being on the cusp of a breakout. Now, what should we be looking at going forward? Does Bitcoin have some more upside going forward, or are we going to see a short-term correction? Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and let's dive right in. So this was the bull flag that resolved recently, and we have essentially broken past a previous major resistance and rallied straight into another resistance. So a real argument could be made that we've just left this range to enter this range. But as you can see right over here, we're already trying to break past this resistance right over here. And this is actually the weekly perspective. So entering, or at least exiting one range to enter the next range. But the thing about this is that we're already trying to break past this weekly resistance. We're actually forming a lower time frame ascending triangle, which has of course resolved, and we're probably going to see a confirmation of this candle. A 4-hour confirmation of that would effectively confirm this breakout, especially if we see a retest attempt of the top of this pattern so that we can rebound towards the upside. But that's the lower time frame. The higher time frame is that every time we've been able to break past 45,200 and claim it as a support, that has usually been able to give some fuel to Bitcoin rallies. We've seen a nice rally towards the upside before in February and then again in late February. So great rebounds from 45,200, and if we can get a daily close above this same level, turn it into a support, that would probably we'd see a nice rally from Bitcoin going forward, because that tends to be a nice support area that provides that sort of buy side reaction. That's the most important thing to watch out for, because this is a key weekly level and it's still very early on. This is the level to breach, because if we're able to breach this level, and it starts with the daily, a daily close would effectively be a very good confirmation sign for that happening, turning it into a support. It all starts with the daily, but if we're able to break past this level and especially weekly close above it, that will take a few more days, of course, but the most important thing is to watch out for the daily. Break past here, and we'll probably see a revisit to this region, which is 48,000 plus. So at the moment, we are still in this range, but if we're able to break past 45,200 on the daily, then we'll be able to challenge for the higher 40,000s and maybe even graze 50,000. That's the perspective for the time being for Bitcoin. Theoretically, in this range, break the top of this range, and 48,000 would be next. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Like the video if you like this one, of course, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.